What's up, Alex from MotionLand here, and in this video I'll show you the main features of the AepToMogrt script Pro version, including how to add a video preview to your Mogrt files. And let's start with a new option where you can add properties to your active or pre-selected composition. This option is useful when you add some properties from pre-compositions or use a media replacement feature. To select a composition where you want to add an essential graphics properties, switch the radio button from Active Comp to Selected Comp. The same method applies when you want to change the composition. To choose a new comp, reselect the radio button. The media replacement feature was presented in the recent versions of After Effects and now available in our script. To use it, select any pre-comp or media file and click Add Media Replacement. The Open in Essential Graphics panel button will open the composition where you are currently adding properties. Name from parent property will take a name from the parent effect and rename added property. We're now switching to the Pro tools. Font, style, size customization checkbox will enable these features when exporting compositions. Or it will enable these features in an existing Mogrt files after you update those using the Update Mogrt File button. The Add Keywords checkbox will help you add the keywords to your files, which might be helpful when you're uploading Mogrt files to Adobe Stock or search for the files. To use Add Image and Video Preview, you need to put MPEG-4 and a PNG preview file with the same name as your Mogrt file under the same folder. The recommended size is 6040 by 360 pixels, but you can go a higher resolution. When your files are ready, you must choose your Mogrs with the Select Mogrt Files button and click Update Mogrt Files. After that, the script will update the original files. And that's it, your files are ready to go now, and the most convenient way to preview and import Mogrt files in After Effects and Premiere Pro is Aeviewer, which is available for free now. So don't miss it and grab your free copy on ascripts.com. And I'll see you in another video.